Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. Let's move on to the next question. This is a battery of 8 volts. This is 4 microfarad, 3 microfarad, 9 and 2. So these two are in parallel. So the resultant capacitance will be their sum, which is 12 farads. So these two can be written as, so this will be 4, 12 and 2 here. Now 4 and 12 will be in series. So what we'll get is 1 by C is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12. So this is 3 by 12, so we'll have 4 by 12, 12 by 4, which means C is equal to 3. Which means what we have is 3 and 2. This total resistance is 3 and this is 2. Their sum will obviously, because they're in parallel, be 5. So the net capacitance is 5. Which means that the net charge flowing from here is equal to, Q is equal to CV, 5 into 8, which is 40 microcoulombs, obviously. So into 10 to the power minus 6. Now we are asked the electric field due to a charge having the sum of the charges on 4 and 9. So we need to find the charges on these. So if we have 40 units of charge going here, then because this is for capacitance 2 and this total has capacitance 3, we'll have 2/5 of it going here, that is 16, and 3/5 or 24 going here. Right? This is sort of like in the resistances case, except it's not the inverse. It's directly proportional to the capacitance. So on 4, you have a charge of 24 microcoulombs. And also on the sum of these two, you have 24 microcoulombs, and they'll be divided in the ratio of 3:9. So what you'll get is this will be 6 and this will be 18. So Q on the 9 microfarad capacitance is 18. Now they'll have reverse polarities, but the charge on the capacitor is defined as a positive value. So the sum of these two charges will be 24 plus 18, which is 42 microcoulombs, or 42 into 10 to the power minus 6. So what would be the electric field at a distance 30? KQ by R square, 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 42 into 10 to the power minus 6 by R square, 30 square, 900. So what we get is, this is 10 to the power 7. So what we get is 420. So the answer to question 13 is 420, which is option 3. This completes the solutions. Thank you.